This.
Holy, what's the matter, man? What?
Oh my God, I just had the worst nightmare.
Oh.
I had a nightmare. There's only 20 games left, and you might not pick up a tab all year. Tell me that's not gonna happen.
Ugh.
Please tell me you're gonna pick up one press meal, one check.
Nasher, first of all, you woke me up, and I'm not that cheap.
You're pretty cheap.
Why don't you sit up? I'll tell you a story. Speaking about checks.
Really?
Well, I was in my 4th training camp. It was just after the season with the Penguins when they won their Stanley Cup with Malkin and Crosby. And of course, Malkin won the Conn Smythe. He was lights out that year. And I'm sitting there riding the bike before training camp, and he was in my group. And he saddled up right next to me, starts riding the bike, and the PR person comes over and hands him an envelope.
What was in it?
At first I didn't know, so I said, "Malkin, what's that?" And he goes, "Chick." And I was like, "What?" He said,
Bad
"Chick."
English.
Terrible English. So it was a check. And I said, "What's it for?" And he goes, "Bonuses." And I was like, "Oh, bonuses for what?" And Conn Smythe, he hit a couple scoring bonuses, and I think it was the last year of his entry-level deal.
How much was it?
Well, I don't think he knew how to tell me the number with
In English?
language, so he showed me.
How many zeros?
A lot. It was just over $900,000.
Oh,
My jaw dropped. I stopped riding the bike. I thought I was gonna puke.
that's a lot of zeros.
That's a lot of zeros.
That's like your stats.
And it was nothing to him. He just kept riding the bike on 0 and then went out there training camp, lit it up. And that was really my first taste of what NHL paychecks were like.
He's probably got that in his couch cushions.
Yeah, pretty wild. Well,
Wow.
anyway, I hope you enjoyed that story. Now.
Oh, I hope I can sleep now.
Yeah.
I got this one though.
Thanks. Night, bud.
I think. Right.